Hello guys, this is Funny Stunt TV, and as you can see it's snowing, and we're going to flip. What do you think about that? Yeah. So, Aiden, you go first.
Look at Aiden's terrible roll. Now it's Reese's turn. Off you go.
My turn.
I bet that hurt your ass. No, Angel. Look at it in his face. Look at it in his face. Teabag.
Teabag.